Children?
Ma'am, I have a question to you.
Yes, what is your question?
Yes, ma'am. मैम हमारा जो ब्रेन है वो हमारी पूरी बॉडी को कंट्रोल करता है, सबको कमांड देके चलवाता है कि तुम्हें अभी क्या करना है. लेकिन मैम तब ब्रेन को कौन कंट्रोल करता होगा?
It is controlled by hormone. Okay? Children, today we will start revision of chapter 3. But before that, I will take oral test of chapter 1 and 2. I had given you homework to revise chapter 1 and 2, question answer, keywords, and you must know everything. So, first 10 minutes I will take your oral test, and after that I will start revision of chapter 3. One by one
Keywords and you must know.
you have to give the answer one by one. All of you will not say may I, okay? Like first question is, I will say name and according to that you have to give the answer. Like Apurva 7G.
Yes, ma'am.
Apurva will give the answer. What is photosynthesis and what are the raw materials for photosynthesis?
Yes, ma'am. The process through which green plants prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. The raw materials for photosynthesis are water and mineral from soil, carbon dioxide from air, chlorophyll and sunlight.
Very good. Correct answer. Now, next student will give the answer. Apurva scored 10 out of 10. Apurva, you have to note down your marks. Okay? Now, next student will give the answer. Akash Aryan 7H. Akash Aryan 7H. You have to give the answer. What are the modes of nutrition? What are the modes of nutrition? Turn on your video. Turn on your video. Akash Aryan 7H, give the answer. What are the modes of nutrition? Okay, Akash is scoring 0 marks. Okay, Akash 0 marks. Apurva 10. Akash 0. Now, next question is, Abhinav Raj. Abhinav Raj, you have to give the answer. 7G, Abhinav Raj. What is nutrition and what are nutrients? Abhinav Raj, turn on your video and give the answer. What is nutrients and what are nutrients?
Ma'am, please admit students.
Okay. I have admitted.
Okay, ma'am.
I had announced name. This is the term of which student?
Ma'am, Abhinav Raj.
Abhinav Raj, give the answer. What is nutrition and what are nutrients? Abhinav Raj. Abhinav Raj, give the answer. What is nutrition and what are nutrients? Abhinav Raj giving 0 marks. Abhinav scored 0 out of 10. Now, next student is Rishi Raj Singh 7G. Rishi Raj Singh 7G. What do you mean by heterotrophic nutrition? What are the different types of heterotrophic nutrition? What is heterotrophic nutrition and what are the different types of heterotrophic nutrition? Who can answer? Rishi Raj Singh.
Ma'am,
Rishi Raj Singh, turn on your video.
question.
Rishi Raj Singh. Rishi Raj Singh, what is heterotrophic nutrition? And what are the different types of heterotrophic nutrition? Now, next question is,
Ma'am,
can you answer Rishi Raj?
can I answer? Ma'am, can I answer?
No, don't ask can I. I will ask you one by one. Rishi Raj Singh, can you answer what is heterotrophic nutrition and what are the different types of heterotrophic nutrition? No, you can't answer. Next question is from Anjali 7G, roll 3. Anjali, turn on your video and say what is symbiotic relationship with example. What is symbiotic relationship? Give one example of it. Anjali, turn on your video. Anjali couldn't reply. Anjali, you couldn't reply. Can you reply? What is symbiotic relationship? Explain with example. Siddhi, what is symbiotic relationship? Give one example. Siddhi,
Yes, ma'am.
turn on your video.
मैम मैं can't on my video मैम because मेरा क्या है ना मैम मेरे लैपटॉप कैमरा खराब है तो मैं वीडियो नहीं
Give the answer. What is symbiotic relationship? Explain with example.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sometimes two organisms live in close association and develop a relationship that is beneficial to both. This is called symbiotic relationship.
Example.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, example are ma'am, algae and fungi live in the roots of trees and lichens growing all along.
Correct answer. Siddhi scored 10 out of 10.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, next question is from Aditya Shankar. Aditya Shankar, turn on your video. Aditya, turn on your video. How nutrients are replenished in the soil? How nutrients are replenished in the soil?
मैम आपकी आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही है.
How nutrients are replenished in the soil? Now, did you understand, Aditya Shankar? Apurva?
ठीक से नहीं आ रहा.
Apurva, are you listening my voice? Am I audible? Next question is From?
नो मैम आवाज़ नहीं आ रहा मैम, आपका आवाज़ ब्रेक हो रहा है।
अच्छा आप बोलिए, स्टेट द रोल ऑफ वेसल्स प्रेजेंट इन अ प्लांट। स्टेट द रोल ऑफ वेसल्स प्रेजेंट इन अ प्लांट। What is the role of vessel present in a plant? Can you say, Aditya Shankar? Role of vessel present in a plant. Next question.
Ma'am, these are absorbed by the roots from the soil. From here, water minerals are transferred to other part of the vessel. Vessel are the tubes that run throughout the root, the stem, the branches, and the leaves.
Correct answer. Okay. Now Aditya Shankar scored 7 out of 10.
Topic water and minerals.
Aditya Shankar, you scored 7 out of 10. Aditya. Next question is, why leaf is known as the food factory of the plant? Why leaf is known as food factory of the plant? Why leaf is known as the food factory of the plant?
The synthesis of food in plant occur in their leaves. Hence, leaves are called the food factories of the plant.
Is Aradhya present in the class or not? Her name is not written. Today Aradhya has not joined the class.
No, ma'am, she is not present in the class.
She is?
No, ma'am, she is not in the class right now.
Okay. Why she has not joined class? She is regular, but today she is not in the class. Which organism fixes nitrogen in the soil? Name the organism.
Yes, the print.
Name the organism that fixes nitrogen in the soil.
Ma'am, rhizobium.
Yes, correct answer. Next, name one saprotroph. Give one example of saprotroph.
Mushroom.
Name one insectivorous plant.
Ma'am, pitcher plant.
Yes. Why do pitcher plant eat insects?
Ma'am, because of lack of nitrogen.
Yes. Now in chapter 2, you have to give the answer. I will take the name Divya Rai. Okay, Divya, you have to give the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Divya, what are the different steps of nutrition in human being? Steps of nutrition in human being. Divya, turn on your video. Divya Rai, turn on your video and give the answer. What are the different steps of nutrition in human being? Divya couldn't Divya, can't you answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Divya, turn on your video. Give the answer. Different steps of nutrition in human being.
Yes, ma'am. Digestion.
Yes, give the answer. Different steps of nutrition in human being.
Ma'am,
Yes, you are saying correct. Say. Speak loudly.
absorption. Ma'am.
Ma'am, she is telling.
Ma'am,
Divya, you scored 1 out of 10. Divya scored 1 out of 10. 1 marks out of 10. Divya, performance is poor. Okay, improve yourself. Next student who has to give the answer, Rishabh Srivastav. Rishabh Srivastav, what is buccal cavity? What is buccal cavity?
UP, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain intuition?
Apurva and Siddhi, your test is over. Now test of other children will be held. Okay? I am announcing name. That student will answer the question.
Ma'am, I am telling you, please.
Ankit,
Ma'am, I am
Ankit, say the answer. What is buccal cavity? Ankit, roll 6. Ankit, roll 10. Give the answer. What is buccal cavity?
Yes, ma'am.
Give the answer. Turn on your video. What is buccal cavity? Ankit, your term is over, Ankit. You couldn't reply. Now next is Rishabh Srivastav. Can you say what is buccal cavity? What is buccal cavity?
Yes, ma'am.
What is buccal cavity?
Oral cavity located at the upper end of the alimentary canal.
Yes, very good. Buccal cavity is also called oral cavity. It consists of tongue and teeth. Okay, that is buccal cavity. Very good. Now, next question is, what are the different types of teeth and what is its function in human being? Explain different types of teeth with function. Divya Rai, give the answer. Divya Rai, can you give the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Give.
Yes, ma'am. Scissors are used for cutting of food. Canines are used for taste. Premolars are used for grinding of food. And molars are used for grinding of food.
Yes, this time you have given correct answer. Now your marks is changed. Now it is 10 out of 10. Okay? Earlier you had scored 1 marks. Now you have said correct answer, so your marks is now 10 out of 10. Now next question. What are the parts of alimentary canal? Divya, give the answer. What are the parts of, name the different parts of alimentary canal?
Yes, ma'am, is it the chance?
Name the different parts of alimentary canal.
मैम मैम किसको आंसर करना है?
Different parts of, I am saying name. Rishabh Srivastav, can you answer? Different parts of alimentary canal? No. Children, today I have seen your performance. Only few students have shown very good performance, and now again you have to revise chapter 1 and 2. Am I clear? Next day you will come with good preparation in the classroom. Then your oral test will be conducted. Okay? Again you will revise chapter 1 and 2. Now I start chapter 3, revision of chapter 3. Okay? All of you have noted down your marks. Once again I am telling your marks. Apurva 10 out of 10. Akash 10, Akash 0. Abhinav Raj 0, Rishi Raj Singh 0, Anjali 0, Siddhi 10, Aditya Shankar 7, Divya 10. Okay? Now next day again your test will be conducted. Chapter 1 and 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I will start revision of chapter 3, chemical substances and processes. All of you know that the matter exists in 3 states. Matter means anything which occupies space and has mass. Suppose this is a duster and it has some mass, means weight, and when I will put it here it will occupy some space. So it is a matter. Okay? Matter exists in 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. This is solid, and you drink water, water is liquid, and you inhale oxygen, that is gas. So matter exists in 3 states, and all matter is made up of small particles called atoms, and atoms combine to form molecules. Okay? So materials which are made up of same kind of atom are called elements, and materials which are made up of same type of molecules are called compounds. So you can say, children, that materials which are made up of same type of particles, whether it is atom or molecule, are called pure substances. Means pure substances are made up of same type of particles. These particles may be atoms or molecules. So pure substance is of 2 types: elements and compounds. Element is a pure substance made up of same type of atoms. Okay? Like you see iron. Iron is an element, and all the atoms in the iron are same type, and this atom is of iron. Okay? So iron is an element, and water is a compound. In element you see all the atoms are same, all the particles are same, and the smallest particle of element is called atom. Okay? So you have seen that pure substance is made up of same type of particle called atoms or molecules. Now see, this pure substance is of 2 types: elements and compounds. Elements and compounds. Element is a pure substance which is made up of same type of atom. Okay? Like iron, copper, silver, gold, all these are atoms. All these are elements. Example: iron, copper, silver, gold, calcium, all these are elements. And compound is also a pure substance which is made up of same type of molecule, and in the molecule there are 2 or more atoms which are combined in a fixed ratio. So we can define compound. Compound is a pure substance made up of 2 or more atoms which are combined in a fixed ratio. Like this water is a compound and it consists of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So it is a compound. Carbon dioxide, CO2, it is also a compound because it consists of 1 atom of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen. Common salt, NaCl. This Na is sodium, 1 atom of sodium and 1 atom of chloride. So it is common salt, NaCl. It is also a compound. So compound is a pure substance made up of 2 or more elements which are chemically combined in a fixed ratio. Okay. Now what is a mixture? A mixture contains 2 or more substances which are mixed in any ratio. The ratio is not fixed. Like soil is a mixture. What is mixture? Mixture is not a pure substance. It consists of 2 or more substances which are not chemically combined. They are combined and they are not chemically combined with each other. So it is not a pure substance. And they are combined in any ratio. Like air is a mixture of different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, dust particle is also there in the air. So air is a mixture. Soil is a mixture. In the soil you have read organic substance is there, inorganic substance is there, air, water, some living organisms are there. So soil is also a mixture. So mixture is not a pure substance. It contains 2 or more substances which are combined in any ratio. Ratio is not fixed. But in compound you see the 2 elements or more elements are combined in a fixed ratio. So this is difference between element, compound and mixture. There are 2 pure substances, elements and compounds. And mixture is not a pure substance. Like soil is a mixture, water is a compound. So common salt is also a compound, silver is element. So a list of substances will be given and you will be asked to write whether it is element, compound or mixture. In your book one table is given and you have to classify the following material into pure substances and mixture. In pure substance you will see it is element or compound. If any substance is element or compound, it will be categorized under pure substance. And if any substance is not pure, then it is a mixture. So element and compound are pure substances. Now you have to differentiate whether it is element, compound or mixture. Air is a mixture. Iron, it is a pure substance. Within bracket you can write it is an element. Next, water is a compound, so it is a pure substance. Next is soil is a mixture. Lemonade is a mixture. In the lemonade you will see water, sugar, okay, is mixed in any ratio. Lemon juice, these things are mixed in the lemonade and they are mixed in any ratio, so it is not a pure substance, it is a mixture. Now gold is a pure substance, oxygen is a pure substance. So children, this list is given in your book. You can see that some are pure substances and some are mixture. Mixture is also of 2 types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Mixture in which components cannot be seen separately are called homogeneous mixture. Like when you mix sugar or salt in water, then you cannot see them separately because sugar or salt dissolves in water and you get homogeneous mixture. Okay, alloy is also homogeneous mixture. But when you mix some pebbles in the water, now you can see the pebbles and water. separately because pebbles will not dissolve in water. So it is heterogeneous mixture. If you add sand in water, you can see these components separately. So it is heterogeneous mixture. So mixture is of two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay children, now this thing you will read next day. All of you will revise children. Thank you.